$1 million for a green card? That's the reality of Trump's new Gold Card visa. This program introduces 3 tiers: Gold Card at $1 million, Platinum at $5 million, and Corporate Gold at $2 million, aiming to replace some employment-based visas like EB-1 and EB-2. Experts warn this could favor only ultra-rich investors and corporate entities, leaving skilled professionals like Indian software engineers, doctors, and researchers largely excluded. Reddit and Quora are buzzing with reactions. So all my years in IT and research won't matter anymore? Just the money? This shift moves U.S. immigration from merit-based to wealth-based access, raising legal questions since the president cannot override Congress, leaving uncertainties about execution, citizenship allocation, and practical applicability. For Indians and global professionals, existing pathways like H-1B, L-1, O-1, EB-5, and OPT extensions remain viable. Keep an eye on EB-5 investor visas active until 2027, and carefully watch agency rules in the next 90 days before making any investment plans. On-screen poll: would you pursue Gold Card if eligible, or stick to skill-based visas? If you're an Indian professional or student navigating U.S. immigration, type "I'm watching" below. Like this video for updates on U.S. immigration policies and Indian talent pathways.